In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install Snapchat on Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, to open the Android phone and click on Play Store. Now click on the search field and search for Snapchat. After finding it, then click on Install button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to download and install Snapchat on your mobile phone. Once the installation process is complete, then click on Open button. Then Snapchat app will open on your mobile phone. If you don't have a Snapchat account yet, then click on the sign up button. Now type your first and last name and click on agree and continue. Now add your birth date and then click on continue. Now choose your username. You can easily customize the username by click on change my username and then hit on continue. Now type your password and again click on continue button. Once the sign up process is complete, then click on login and type the username and password and click on login button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download and install Snapchat on mobile phone.